Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So if this is your first time on my channel, you're most welcome. And for my darling returning subscribers, thank you all so very much for keeping up with me. In this video, I'm going to show how to neatly cut a full fringe bob like you're seeing right here in the video. Please pardon the slight difference in lighting. It's the same hair, same video, just lighting difference. And do not forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button to get notified whenever I put out a new video. Now, first things first, I always like to comb out or brush out any hair I need to cut. It's really advisable so there's no hair sponging somewhere and you're not aware of. It's really advisable to always comb out. And then the next thing I did was measure the length I wanted the bob to be in. And fortunately, the length happened to be the same as where the mannequin ended. And that is why I always prefer mannequins to block canvas heads, because mannequins are like cheats when it comes to wig making. You get, they have most things already put in place, the eyes, the ear and all of that. So I just went ahead and cut according to the length. Yeah, I should also mention, when I made this wig, I didn't have the time to cut it and all that stuff. So I just cut it a little at the front, and for every time I wore the hair, I would always pack it to the hair packer and use bobby pins to hold down wherever I felt I needed to hold down. Now, for the width of the fringe, I used the measurement of the mannequin eye to determine that. That's where one eye started and where the other eye ended, to measure the width of the full fringe. And because the full fringe was kind of full during the period I was wearing it, I needed to trim it out, and I used this razor comb to do that. You can get it from eBay or any beauty store close to you. And for those of you that might want to know what hair this is, it's a combination of different old hairs. Like, what I usually do whenever I feel like I want to make a new wig is I just check where I keep my old hairs and combine whichever weaves I feel are combinable. If there's any word like combinable, I just combine them. And that's why if you look by the side of the hair, you'll see slight waves. It's because I combined straight weave and wavy weave together to make this. So just combination of old hairs basically. So I'm just trying to get the full fringe right, and for every time I cut, I always comb, because it is very necessary to always comb out whenever you cut, so you have an idea of what you just cut, and if there's any correction to make, you correct. If there's any other thing to do, you do, you get. But the main thing is, for every cut you make, always brush out or comb out. It is very important. Very important. Now we've come to something very important to take note of. As I was cutting the hair to the length I wanted it at the beginning of the video, I wasn't putting anything special to it. Like, I was just cutting. I wasn't trying to see that the cut came out clean or any of that. No, I was just, going according to the length I thought it should be at. Now this is the point where I came back to make sure the cut came out neat and clean, and that is why, as you can see in the video, I have my palm right under the scissors. The whole idea of the palm being right under the scissors is to level and balance the scissors so that the cutting comes out leveled, like really literally leveled. And as you can see, guys, I'm achieving what I want to achieve. And please ignore the white material that is posing as a distraction right below the hair. It's there to give the mannequin a proper fitting on the stand. Now this part is for those that don't want the tip of their bob looking too full. You know, they don't want it looking like Sia's bob cut in her music videos. You know how Sia's vixens look with their white full fringe bob, like the tip is always really full. Well, if you don't like it looking that way, you could trim it out with scissors like I'm doing right here, and have yourself something sleek and light and nice. So this is the finished look, guys. Once again, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell next to the subscribe banner to, you know, get notified whenever I put out a new video. Thank you so very much. Till my next video, stay blessed, stay out of trouble, and I love you all as always. Wait to see how the wig looks on me. Yeah, this is it. I took this picture specifically for this video.